Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Babbel discount codes in 2024. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser on your mobile phone or your computer, it doesn't matter, and you'll have to search for Babbel discount code. After that, you have to scroll down a little bit after you find this latimes.com website. So right here, we'll have at least three different type of promo codes and discounts that we can use. And for example, if I want to use this 35% off coupon, I have to select the view coupon button right here. And basically, this is our discount code. So what I'm going to do is copy the discount code and at the checkout on the Babbel website, if I'm going to insert this discount code, I will get the 35% of my purchase. You can also go back to the Google search and right here you can select the discount, the Daily Mail website. And right here, as you can see, we have at least three different type of promo codes. So for example, if I want to use this one with 70% off, I can select a get deal. So this promotion doesn't require a promo code. Basically, I can just select the option go to store. And if I'm going to the store through this link right here, the discount will be applied automatically to my account. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.